Ever wondered what makes an experience so unforgettable that it's termed the best sex ever? Is it the number of orgasms, the intensity, or something much deeper that creates that connection? Today we're diving into this tantalizing topic to explore not just what makes sex the best, but also how many orgasms a woman needs for ultimate satisfaction. Stick around to discover some surprising facts backed by science and real-world studies. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to never miss out on the best tips and deep dives into sexual health and intimacy. In today's episode, we're breaking down the mystery of the perfect sexual experience and the role that multiple orgasms play in women's sexual health and satisfaction. It's not just about reaching that peak moment once or twice, it's about understanding the connection between your mind, body, and emotions. What do we mean when we say the best sex ever? Studies show that the best sexual encounters go beyond physical pleasure. They involve emotional intimacy, a sense of safety, and mutual respect between partners. According to a study conducted by the Kinsey Institute, people who describe their sexual experiences as the best ever often talk about how connected they felt with their partner rather than just focusing on physical sensations. So, the next time you think about having mind-blowing sex, remember that it's not just about performance, it's about presence. How many orgasms does a woman need? Let's get one thing straight. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Every woman's sexual response is unique. However, studies from sexual health researchers like Dr. Lori Mintz reveal that a significant number of women report higher satisfaction when they experience multiple orgasms in a single session. But does that mean more is always better? Here's an interesting fact for you. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that while many women enjoy multiple orgasms, satisfaction often plateaus after the third one. So if you're stressing about achieving more and more, relax. Quality often trumps quantity. The science behind orgasm satisfaction. Let's talk a little about the science. When a woman climaxes, her brain releases a cocktail of chemicals like oxytocin and endorphins. These feel-good hormones contribute to a sense of satisfaction and relaxation. Interestingly, research by sexologist Emily Nagoski shows that these chemicals don't necessarily increase with more orgasms. Instead, what enhances satisfaction is how connected, desired, and cherished she feels throughout the experience. Emotional connection and communication. So what's the key takeaway? Focus on creating an emotionally connected experience, not just a physically intense one. Open communication about desires, fantasies, and boundaries can elevate your sexual encounters to a whole new level. Partners who are emotionally in sync tend to report the highest levels of sexual satisfaction. Start having these conversations with your partner. Talk about what truly pleases you, what fantasies you'd like to explore, and how you both can feel more connected during intimacy. It's these small changes that can turn a good sexual experience into the best sex ever. In conclusion, the best sex ever isn't about hitting a target number of orgasms, it's about quality, connection, and presence. So the next time you and your partner explore each other's bodies, remember that it's not just about reaching the peak multiple times, but about enjoying every step of the journey together. Have you experienced this kind of connection? What's your take on the ideal number of orgasms? Leave a comment below and let's get this conversation started. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who'd benefit from this information. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and prioritize your pleasure and health.